Hello, today we're going to talk about the benchtop wire duct cutter. This tool offers a safe and clean way to cut wire duct. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to use the cutter. When you receive the wire duct cutter, some assembly and mounting will be required. You will need to attach the base to a solid, secure surface, install the handle, and attach the measuring rail and guide. Please remember to follow proper safety precautions when using the wire duct cutter. Start by setting the measuring guide to the exact length you want the wire duct to be cut. Align the right side of the guide with your desired length on the measuring bar, and then secure the guide in place by tightening the screw. The measuring bar features centimeter increments and can measure up to 1 meter in length. Once the guide is secured, place the end of the duct flush against the guide and slide the other end under the blade. You may need to adjust slightly for finger positioning. With your left hand, hold the duct in place and be mindful of where your hand is in relation to the blade before pulling the lever down. The cutter can also be used to cut the covers of the wire duct using the same method. The wire duct cutter is user-friendly and cuts the wire duct without any burrs, ensuring a clean and safe work environment. If you would like more information or wish to schedule an on-site demonstration, please contact your local Phoenix Contact sales representative or visit phoenixcontact.com/US-Toolfox. Thank you.